What's up guys, GD Warrior here. Just making a quick video to letting you guys know I'll be coming up with some new videos soon. The reason why I'm not posting any videos right now is because of this. Oh yeah, my bike had some surgery done. Look at those babies. Pistons right here. I'm getting head work done, stage 2, ported polished heads, 30 valve job, competition job, and I'm also gonna get a custom made headlight cowl for the headlight. And yeah, that's the reason why I can't ride right now. I can't make any more videos. I still got this baby right here, my Indian Scout 60. It's for sale, by the way, so if you want to buy it, hit me up. Has maybe 1,100 miles. New exhaust, 2-in-1 Mayhem Hacker exhaust. Got a tuner in there. Trask performance intake. Fucking, this thing is a little beast, you know. Sounds good, rides good. It's a 2016 Indian Scout 60. But here's my main baby. Look at that. Oh, by the way, I got my hidden brake caliper done. Thanks, Kyle. Love you, brother. And yeah, see you guys soon. Don't fucking die.